Blackhead Remover. How to remove blackheads at home. Easy face mask plus clear skin. Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, 1 teaspoon of water, now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's the time to apply this recipe on your face and skin. And leave it on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove it by cold water. For best results, use this recipe twice a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped with you. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.